A solid disk of mass capital M is just held in air horizontally by throwing 40 stones per second vertically upward to strike the disk, each with a velocity 5 meter per second. If the mass of each stone is 0.05 kg, what is the mass of the disk? So there is a disk which is in horizontally placed in the air. Let the mass of the disk is m. We are keeping this disk in air by throwing stones onto it. That means each stone is applying a force onto it which is balancing the weight of the disk, and mass of the stone is given which is 0.05 kg, and velocity with which the each stone is projected which is 5 meter per second. Like that, number of stones per second is given 40. So now 40 stones were projected onto the disk per second. So we need to calculate what is the mass of the disk. Since whatever the force each stone is applied, the sum of all the forces applied by the stone is equivalent to the weight of the disk. That is the reason why the disk is in the air. So the force applied by all the stones is equivalent to weight of the disk. So weight of the disk is acting downward and the force applied by all the stones are acting upward. So both are equilibrium. So mass of the disk is equal to force applied by all the stones by acceleration due to gravity. Let it be equation 1. So force applied by one stone is equal to rate of change of momentum. That means initially each stone possesses momentum, and after the stone hit the disk, the total momentum of the final momentum of the stone becomes 0. That means the change in momentum per time will give us the force applied by each stone. So that is nothing but change in momentum per time. This is for one stone. Since we are projecting n stones, so will be n. So n by t, change in momentum is equal to m into u, because final velocity will become 0. So n by t is 40 and mass of the stone is 0.05 into velocity is 5. So what we get? Here we get 10 newtons. So let us substitute force applied by all the stones in equation 1. So what we get? F mass of the disk is equal to force applied by all the stones is 10, by acceleration due to gravity is 10. So the mass of the disk is 1 kg.